Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna make a tasty chicken, mushroom and baby potato stew. It's easy and perfect for a quick lunch. Let's get started. First, I wash the baby potatoes and boil them with a pinch of salt until they're soft. Next, I pound the chicken breasts to make them thinner. Then marinate them with spices. Now it's time to marinate the chicken. I use garlic powder, onion powder, olive oil, chicken seasoning, and mustard sauce. Once it's well coated, I let it rest in the fridge for 30 minutes. Let's check the potatoes to see if they're cooked through. I test them with a fork. Yes, they're done. Now I drain the water and let them cool on the counter. Let's make a coffee while this does its thing. I finally chop a small onion and saute in a bit of oil until soft and golden. I also mince two garlic cloves or crush them with a garlic press and add them to the sauteed onion. Now that the boiled baby potato have cooled, I slice them in half. Then I toast them with a bit of oregano, olive oil and salt and add them to the sauteed onion and garlic. Now it's time for the mushrooms. I slice them in half and add them to the potatoes while they're still sauteing. While the veggies are still sauteing, let's move on the chicken. I take it out the fridge and start searing in a pan. I place the chicken into hot melted butter or oil and start cooking until golden and cooked through. Once the chicken is cooked, I use the same pan to make the sauce. I saute a bit of flour in oil, then add milk to create a creamy sauce. Add the milk and stir until the sauce thickens. Now that the sauce has thickened, I add the chicken and potatoes back into the pan. I let everything simmer for about 50 minutes so the flavors come together. If you enjoyed this recipe so far, don't forget to like, leave a comment and subscribe for more delicious videos. Once the sauce thickens, I have a cup of cream. Give it a final stir, then turn off the heat. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this warm and comforting dish. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. With love, from my kitchen to yours. It's turned out delicious. Don't forget to give it a try.